can you feel it? Buzzing in the atmosphere, electric, static humming everywhere. This energy is swirling around us in anticipation. So can you feel it? Can you feel it?
Happy birthday, Stella! Our Stella Bu, happy birthday! Sana mag-enjoy ka mamayang tayo ng daddy mo, ng lola mo. Ang wish namin sa iyo, anak, sana ay lumaki kang malusog na bata, mabait na bata, at magalang sa lahat, anak.
It's our time. Feel it rising, spinning in the flicker of the fire, buzzing in the atmosphere. Watch it all come alive in wild
Hiling din namin na sana maging masunurin ka sa amin. Higit sa lahat, masunurin ka sa mga utos ng Diyos.
It's our time. Open your eyes. Hold your breath. Take a step. Here's our chance. Yeah. It's our time. It's our time.
Happy first birthday, Stella. Love na love ka ni Tata. And so, ang wish lang ni Tata sa'yo, lumaki kang mabait, malusog, at magkaroon ka ng banal na takot sa Diyos. No? And syempre, good health. And nandito lang lagi si Tata for you.
It's our time. Open your eyes. Hold your breath. Take a step. Here's our chance. Yeah. It's our time. It's our time. It's our time. It's our time.
Happy birthday, Stella! We love you! Happy birthday, Stella! We love you!
It's the thought of PM when your heart's just like a drum, beating louder with nowhere to guard it. When it all seems like it's wrong, sing along to Elton John and to that feeling we're just getting started.
Happy birthday! Sana marami pa tayong travel together with Sayuri. Pagka mag-aaral ka na, kami na bahala mag-tutor sa'yo. Yan lang, happy birthday!
And you say, I wanna dance, the music's got me going, and nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's break our plans and live just like we're golden and rolling like we're dancing fools. We don't need to worry, just
Unang wish ko para kay Stella is lumaki siyang healthy, saka mabait na bata. Deserve naman ni Stella lahat ng good sa buhay.
permission to dance. There's always something that's standing in the way, but if you don't let it phase you, you know just how to break, just with the right vibe, yeah. Cause there's no looking back, there ain't no one to prove we don't got this on lock, yeah.
Always pray and sana maging mas healthy kayo ni ate hanggang paglaki mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Yeah, we'll keep going and stay up until we see the sun rise. And we say, I wanna dance, the music's got me going, and nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's break our plans and leave just like we're golden and rolling like
Happy birthday! I wish na lumaki kang mabait, masunurin, lalo sa mama and daddy. Happy birthday! Wish ko rin na maging healthy ka at maging matalino habang lumalaki.
Tonight, 'cause we don't need permission to dance. We don't need permission to dance.
Lumaki ka na mabait, mamahalin mo ang mga magulang mo. Lumaki may banalatakot. Paglaki mo sana maging matalino, hindi masunurin ang magulang. Happy birthday!
'Cause it's not over till the summer say one more time.
Birthday baby, kagaya rin ng wish namin, para kay ate, ganun din, para sa'yo, sana lumaki kang malusog, matalino, mabait, masunurin, higit sa lahat, lumaki kang mananampalataya.
Lumaki silang malusog na bata, maiwas sa anumang uri ng sakit. Lumaki may banal na takot sa Diyos, yun naman po yung importante. At maging masunurin, maging mabait sa lahat. Yun lang po.
Alright. Once again, a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Permission